everybody, my name is Lynn. I'm from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I am on here today to tell you about my wealthy hair experience. Oh my goodness, where do I start? Well, I came across this ad on Facebook about this hair webinar, and I scrolled by probably the first 3-4 times because I thought it was a scam. I ended up clicking on it, and next thing I know, I'm opting in the webinar that was for free, and the information that Julia gives you on there is just uncomprehendable. I mean, I just was overwhelmed with this woman is giving everyone her secrets to her success. And I ended up, doing some research and looking at all of the other videos that people have made that have opted in. And, I had to do it. So here I am today. Everything they explain to you in the webinar is so straightforward. In everything you have to do, of course, you have to work. But I mean, all the training is there. They're there. The web team was absolutely amazing. The entire Wealthy Hair team is absolutely amazing. So anyone that scrolls by this ad, please, if you're interested in your own online hair business, I really, really, really recommend you to stop, watch the ad, opt in the class, and you will not be sorry. Trust me, you will not be sorry. I feel like I have a whole different life within a matter of from one day when I was still thinking about it to the next day after I did it. And it's just an absolutely wonderful, incredible feeling. And I'm very excited to start my journey. So thank you so much, Julia, and the entire Wealthy Hair team. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.